Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? So today, Alcatel 3 2019, we're gonna go through two things. So the UI of the phone and the quick setting of the phone. And let's get into the UI first and see what we have here. So as you can see, notifications, one slide down, using the top of the screen, or you can use the fingerprint to slide down for the notification. The downside of this is that one single slide is going to block your whole screen with notifications, right? So what if you want to access the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, notifications, the icons on the top? Well, you have to do another slide to the right. Then you're going to get it. To be honest with you, I don't think this is a user-friendly method. I think you should, Alcatel, rethink about this thing because, and we have great examples from other phones like such as OnePlus, Clear software. Just Google pure software, Android One software from Nokia, for example. So you can just learn from these software, but just a small single thing, like for example, from watching YouTube, and I'm gonna slide down to see notifications. Boom, YouTube is blocked. Anyways, this could be fixed with the Android 9 Pie, that they said in the box that it should be in the phone once you open it and update the software, which is it's not here anymore. I don't know why. I think Alcatel should be more honest with their audience, especially when you write something on the box. Android 9 should be here. It's not. Anyways, let's go to the quick setting and see what we have here. So number one, network and connection. It's a default thing. So let's go to the display first. We have home applications. So the launcher of the Alcatel, which we have saw before. So let's see. Look at this launcher without drawer. What? Okay, yeah, it's just a launcher without a drawer. There's nothing else special about it. And let's go to the setting again. Where is my setting, man? You did? Oh, there you go. So go back. Oh, there is a simple launcher. Once you click on it, wow. Now my phone looks very small with these big icons, and it looks like friends, family, control centers. That's very simple. They're trying to simplify the UI for you, but I think the beauty of Android that it is complicated. It should be complicated for you, and I really love how you can customize Android and make it more complicated, because this is the fun fact of it. Let's go back to our default launcher and let's go back to the setting and display. Now navigation bar. All right, so we have different types of navigation. We have general. So this is the button layout. As you can see, back button, down slide, and so forth. So let's take, for example, this is just rearranging the method, but we have a new icon here. As you can see, this one that looks like it's like a navigation bar, or what do you call it? So let's click on it and see what it can do. Here, there you go. You can see it here. Now let's see here. This is what you have now. So if you click on it, okay, so it just removed the icons on the lower of the screen, and you have to slide up to show it again. But if you want to keep it all time, you just click on it. That's the only purpose. Let's go back. Oops. Let's go back to display, navigation bar, do the default thing, because these other things is just rearrangement of the icons. And we have background colors. Of course, you can change it. It's different. What else we have here? We have full screen gestures. Let's just click on it. So basically it tells you just get rid of the navigation icons, and you can use your navigation with your hand, like going back this way. But in Alcatel world, going back is just, as you can see, sliding from down to up, which is kind of, this is the home screen. You just slide up. So you have two slides. This goes back in the middle, actually takes you to home screen. Kind of confusing. I think I'm used to the Mi Max 3 and all the new phone is just sliding from the right to the left, and you go back, sliding from down to up, take you to the home screen. So this is it. Back to the bottom, navigation, status bar. Now here we have a notch. Now let's read this. Turn on the notch for the best experience possible on this phone. But if app content is blocked by the notch area, you can turn it off by resolve the problem. The change would only affect full screen apps. So for example, we have Asphalt Nitro. It should play now with this off. It should play without the notch. So it's gonna cut off the screen over here, and you're gonna play the game with the cutoff. So what I understood from this one, if I go to the notch and I, click on Asphalt Nitro here over here and just play the game. There you go. Play the game. It should also goes over the notch. Now there you go. See that? So that's a good thing. Not every phone has that. Maybe I think Samsung should apply it in their phones. I believe they didn't, It just cut off the screen. Anywho, let's go back. Full screen apps. No apps here. Okay, so this is just an options and very good options for you to help. Anyways, let's go to the brightness level. 14%, eye comfort mode. So this is where it actually helps you at night and turn off. So let's see how it's on the maximum. Oh, what's going on here? Yeah, I turned it off. So let's see, this is the maximum, guys. It doesn't show on the camera, but it actually show on the background. So if I turn it all the way back, oh, you know what? Let's turn it on. And put all the hair. So you can see in this area, it's bright, right? That's because it's dark here. But if we make it more bright here, it's gonna go dark here. See, the color is getting darker. And let's go back and yeah, this is good. Okay. Anyways, the reading mode is really great. It's actually better than some flagships, so it's really good if you want to read through this phone, especially very light to carry on, and has a good screen, a tall screen. Let's go to other thing, reading mode. Oh, there's also reading mode here. So you enable it, everything's gonna go black and white. So it's gonna help you read. No color is gonna affect your vision, nothing at all, just pure black and white for reading. Let's go back to display. Reading mode, turn it off. Alright, so that we know what's adaptive brightness. Wallpapers, you have some wallpapers that goes with it. Live wallpaper, photos. You have nothing. Alright. Let's go back. We have auto rotate, sleep, screen sleep, font, screen saver, clock, ambient display. So yeah, this is about the display, guys. Security, just basic things, find my device, security update. It's on February 5th, 2019. So this is the latest. However, guys, it's 8.1, see? It's not Android 9 as is mentioned in the box. So please, Alcatel, take notes. There you go. We have also the sound. Let's go to the sound. So that nothing crazy over here. There's no Dolby Atmos, nothing else. It's just volume up and down and alarm volume and all that stuff. We have now also the Smart Manager. Let's go back. Smart Manager. So once you click on the Smart Manager, it's gonna do this process. So it basically clears up the memory, the storage, the battery, and notifications. So just make sure that your phone is clear to use, or make it more faster. If you're a person who opens a lot of apps and you keep them open, If you're using your memory a lot, if you're using, you know, the storage is full, sometimes the notifications is filled up. So this is really helpful to clear off all that mess for you. Now, we've done with the Smart Manager and we went through the sound. We have the advanced features. So before we go there, let's go to the system. Or, let's go to the advanced feature. So we have app clone. So the app clone is basically you have two accounts. Now this I think was done in Huawei's phones before. So you have dual Facebook, dual WhatsApp, dual Messenger, dual Snapchat, etc. So it's gonna help you to have two accounts in each application. Screen recorder. So this should be in the notification bar. There you go. It's over here. Screen recorder. So you record your screen, and for whatever educational reasons, whatever you do. So this setting is gonna tell you, do you want to record your screen on 720p or 480p? Depends on what you like. And you want to record through the mic, or you want to mute the mic. So maybe you want to talk while recording on the screen, or maybe you just want to mute your voice and make like other things play in the background, like if you play music or play video games, you just make it recording through the microphone inside the phone. So here is an option, show the actions, show the white circle where you tapped on the screen. So let's take a look. Yeah, this is it. So once you record, you've seen my videos that I screen recorded the P20 Pro, you see my finger goes there, right? So this is going to help you to identify it. I think it should be, it shouldn't be an option for this. It should be default. I don't need to have an option that I tap. But anyways, excuse me. Screen recorder, function shortcuts. So function shortcuts. Here you can see, you can turn on the, make shortcuts for these applications. Like for example, let me just show you this thing. You can include things like, for example, add the contact, set alarm, etc. And once you have it, you can just, have it different, category. Like for example, if you look at here, we have do not disturb and other things. That's, for example, if we take this, compose an email, right? Let's click on it. Click on the plus. We added here. So we click on navigation, home, set alarm. So maximum, wait a second. What's going on? Yeah, maximum 5 shortcut, reach, remove an active one. So just a shortcut for you, nothing much. Gestures. So 3-finger screenshot. Swipe down 3 fingers. Bam, bam. Screenshot, right? And quick launch camera. To quickly open the camera, press the power button twice. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, let's go back. It's too much here. Okay, this is about the advanced features. Let's go to the system and let's conclude the video with the system. So we have an update and we have two things here. I'm used to slide back. So we have an updates, we have app updates, language input, etc. So all the other things are just defaults. App updates is just the apps that is installed in the phone by Alcatel. So it's like a bloatware, and you have to go there and update them. It's just a headache. Should be in the App Store already. You don't need or the Play Store, sorry. But if you click on updates, this is the latest updates, and if you check on it, it's connected to the Wi-Fi, as you can see. Alcatel said in the box that it has Android 9 and we have 8.1. Still 8.1. Alright. But there is a thing about this phone. I want you guys to look at it. It's very important because I hope it's not a hardware thing. There you go. I hope it's a software thing that the update and things are gonna be fixed, but let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is, as you can see, the camera. If you click on a video, all right, so if I'm recording, second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, right? Okay, so I want to play this video for you and tell me what do you hear. All right, so you heard the voice in the back, like zzz, like very, very small, tiny, annoying voice that goes in the mic on the speaker. I don't know what is this, but it's really giving me a headache. Like, it's not, it shouldn't be here. It's very annoying. I think this is a, I hope it's a software thing that they could update and fix it. But if it's a hardware, that means the mic is, there's something wrong with the mic, right? And maybe I'll just return this unit, or maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyways, this is I have to speak about this, of course, because people are gonna buy this phone. I have to tell you about it, unless I'm getting an answer from Alcatel or I'm getting software updates. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching the video, and see you guys later.